last did a health check on Merle under anaesthetic, we picked up a small heart murmur heard on the right side of her chest. Heart murmurs occur when the flow of blood through the heart is more turbulent than usual, so you get a whooshing sound that you hear in the normal heartbeat. And if it's really quiet, it might not be affecting them clinically, but if it gets worse, it can cause some health problems. So I really wanted to be able to monitor this regularly on Merle so we can see whether it's getting worse or not. She comes over by her own choice because she's getting a yummy treat of peanut butter, which they just love. With the heart particularly, we want to evaluate it when the animal is at rest and calm, because of course if she's stressed, you'll get an increase in heart rate, you might get a difference in heart rhythm. It's absolutely perfect if she's completely calm while we do the check.